Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Red from Roblox Rainbow Friends. I'll be drawing on my tablet. We can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the eyes, starting with the left side. At the top, let's draw a large angled oval. Then from the bottom, let's curve it in, and the same from the top. And then add a curve on the side to close it off. Now let's do the same thing for the right eye. Next, let's color both eyes in black. And that's it for the eyes. Let's draw the shape of the head next. At the top, let's draw a curve across. And then a curve under the eye and on the right. And now let's connect the sides with a curve across the bottom. And that's it for the head. Let's draw the body now. From the bottom of the head, let's draw lines out for the tops of the shoulders. Then a line down on both sides. Next, from the bottom, let's curve it in. Another line down. Then angle it out slightly. And then close off the bottom with a curve. Now let's add the details inside the torso. Let's start with 2 lines down for the sides of the jacket. Next, in that middle section, let's add a V. And then a line down from the center. Next, let's move up to that top section and add the tie. Let's start with a rectangle shape at the top, and then 2 angles down. Now next to the tie, let's add a point up and back down, and the same on the right. And then let's do the same thing underneath. Now let's add the details on the outside of the jacket. Let's add an angled line down, and then all the way down to the bottom. And the same thing on the right. And then let's add one more piece like this above it. And lastly, in the bottom corner, let's draw another angled line like this. And the same thing on the right side. And that's it for the torso. Let's add the arms now. Let's hop back over to the shoulder and let's draw a curve out and then down. And the same thing for the right arm. And then let's add the inside of the arm with the angled line down. And now let's connect the sides with a curve at the bottom. Next, from the bottom, let's draw angles down and then a curve across the bottom. And let's do the same thing for the right arm. Next, let's add some details to the arms. On the shoulder here, let's draw two curves. And the same thing on the right. Next, in that bottom section, let's draw another curve across. Now in that top half, let's draw two curves from the sides. And then in the bottom section, a line down. And then two stripes on that inside section. Next, underneath, let's add the hands. Let's start by drawing a rounded curve at the bottom. And then underneath on the outside, let's draw a curve down and curve it back up for the hand. And the same thing for the right. And now let's color the hands in black. Okay, now let's move back down and draw the legs. In the center, let's draw the inside of the legs with angled lines down. And now let's hop to the outside to draw the other side of the legs. And now let's close off the bottom with curves. Now inside each leg, let's draw a line down. And then color this section in black. And then let's add one more stripe on each leg. Lastly, let's add the feet at the bottom. Let's start with the curve down. And then an angle down for the heel. And then let's close off the bottom of each foot. And then let's color each foot in black. And that's it for red. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!